Hi, Agent Tonini-Rogers here, and I'm out in the middle of the Great Smoky Mountains. We just left Laurel Falls. It was a waterfall, and it had just been thunderstorming, so it was really strong and wild and really nice. And it is so peaceful and quiet out here. And I have to say it, sometimes you just can't see the forest through the trees, so make sure that you take the time to look around you and really pay attention to the process and the times where you really feel like you can't see what's going on.